At saka, bakit ito ipapakancel? Ninang ako, nagpagawa ako ng gown, nag-effort ako, and at that time, kasagsagan ng Middle East War, ng Iran War, ayaw kong dumaan ng layover sa Dubai. And at that time, the plane fare was so high. Kung ayaw kong matuloy ang kasal, bakit ako gagastos? Just plane fare alone and hotel is almost 700,000. So, logic tells you, gusto ko yung kasal. Diba? Bakit ako lumipad na ahead of time? Ang ginawa kong flight is from Manila to LA. Kasi from LA, I fly to Madrid. Ayoko talagang dumaan ng Middle East. So, ginawa ko, nagpa-schedule na ako ng mga doctors ko para may saysay naman yung pagdaan ko sa LA. So, all these things happened when I was in LA. Okay? Di ko alam anong nangyayari dito. One day, I received a text from her business partner, Bea Secosana. Okay? And she told me, I'll read it to you. Resibo ko to. Kaya kayo, na pinagbibintangan ako, maglabas kayo ng resibo, okay? Oh. This is from Bea Secosana. When was this? I want to give you the date. Friday, 8th of May. I don't know if this is the date in LA or the date here. Hindi ko na alam, nag-change ba yung date. Anyway. Hi, Tita. Bea asked for a favor if you can message her guests and Amanda, the wedding coordinator, na din daw po. This is what she wants to say. She composed the whole message. Okay? To send to the guests. Her guests.
Bea herself or her friend?
Bea herself.
Bea.
She told Bea Secosana to send it to me. Again, Bea Secosana said, Hi, Tita. Bea Alonso asked for a favor if you can message her guests and Amanda, the wedding coordinator, na din daw po. This is what she wants to say. The start of her message. I'm messaging on behalf, kumalat na to. This is not a surprise. It's all over. I'm messaging on behalf of Bea. As if ako yung nag-text, right? We sincerely apologize for the sudden notice, but unfortunately, the wedding has been canceled. We understand